Today, let's have a reading practice, using basic English sentences with nouns in a sentence. Are you ready? The cat is black. The cat is black. Cat. The dog barks loudly. The dog barks loudly. Dog. The sun is bright. The sun is bright. Sun. The bird sings sweetly. The bird sings sweetly. Bird. The car is red. The car is red. Car. The apple is juicy. The apple is juicy. Apple. The boy plays ball. The boy plays ball. Boy. The girl has a doll. The girl has a doll. Girl. The fish swims fast. The fish swim fast. Fish. The tree is tall. The tree is tall. Tree. The book is on the table. The book is on the table. Book. The baby is happy. The baby is happy. Baby. The moon shines at night. The moon shines at night. Moon. The chair is brown. The chair is brown. Chair. The duck is in the Pond. The duck is in the pond. Duck. The ball is round. The ball is round. Ball. The flower. Flower is pink. The flower is pink. Flower. The kite. FLIs. High. The kite FLIs. High. Kite. The frog jumps. The frog chomps. Frog. The bus is yellow. The bus is yellow. Bus. The star twinkles. This star twinkles. Star. The cake is sweet. The cake is sweet. Cake. The pencil is sharp. The pencil is sharp. Pencil. The horse runs quickly. The horse runs quickly. Horse.